Good morning, students. I welcome you all. I hope you all are fine and safe along with your family members. Today I'll continue the chapter, The 100 Dresses 2. In previous tutorial, we read that Maddie decided that she would speak up if she finds any child facing a situation like Wanda Petronsky was facing. So let's begin. On Saturday, Maddie spent the afternoon with Peggy. They were writing a letter to Wanda Petronsky. It was just a friendly letter telling about the contest and telling Wanda she had won. They told her how pretty her drawings were and they asked her if she liked where she was living and if she liked her new teacher. They had meant to say they were sorry. But it ended up with their just writing a friendly letter, the kind they would have written to any good friend, and they signed it with lots of X's for love. They mailed the letter to Boggins Heights, writing please forward on the envelope. Now in previous tutorial we have already read that they visited to Wanda Petronsky's house, but they could not find Wanda there. So now what they feel, what is their view, that if they will mail a letter, so it will reach to Wanda Petronsky wherever she is, whether she is in any other city, but a person who is responsible or that house owner will send that letter to Wanda Petronsky. So they were thinking that if we will write, and this letter was a friendly letter and they were sorry for that, and they mailed address, they wrote Boggins Heights, the same address where Wanda Petronsky was living, and they wrote please forward on the envelope. They wrote please forward. Why did they write that letter? Because they wanted to tell Wanda about that contest and about her winning. Days passed and there was no answer, but the letter did not come back. So maybe Wanda had received it. Perhaps she was so hurt and angry she was not going to answer. You could not blame her. Now what they were feeling, that we have not got answer and so many days are passed. So maybe Wanda has got that letter because that letter did not come back. So they assume that maybe Wanda has got it, but she is not willing to answer. So that is why we have not got that letter back. Weeks went by and there was no answer, but the letter did not come back. Already we have done this. Weeks went by and still Wanda did not answer. Peggy had begun to forget the whole business, and Maddie put herself to sleep at night making speeches about Wanda, defending her from great crowds of girls who were trying to tease her with how many dresses have you got, and before Wanda could press her lips together in the tight line the way she did before answering, Maddie would cry out, stop. Then everybody would feel ashamed the way she used to feel. Now after that, when many weeks passed, then Peggy, she had begun to forget the whole business about Wanda Petronsky, but Maddie, she could not forget anything, and every night she would think about Wanda Petronsky, and she would remember how Wanda was teased by other children, other students, and after that she would cry, right? And she would dream about Wanda Petronsky. Everything she remembered, she did not forget anything. And after that, Maddie would cry out, stop. And then in her dream, in her imagination, she would say, stop. And after that, other students, like Maddie was feeling ashamed, other students, the way other students would feel ashamed. Like Maddie was feeling now ashamed that they did bad things to Wanda Petronsky. They teased her and they made her uncomfortable. So now she feels that other students also, they would feel ashamed the way Maddie would feel. Now it was Christmas time and there was snow on the ground. Christmas bells and a small tree decorated the classroom. On the last day of school before the holidays, the teacher showed the class a letter she had received that morning. So now when it was Christmas time and Christmas holidays were about to begin, so that day before one day, a teacher came with a letter in her hand. Now teacher says, you remember Wanda Petronsky, the gifted little artist who won the drawing contest? Well, she has written me and I'm glad to know where she lives because now I can send her medal. I want to read her letter to you. Now teacher is there and she says that she asked students, do you remember that girl, that gifted child, Wanda Petronsky? Because now she has written, means she has sent me letter, and I am very glad means happy. I am very happy to know where she lives, and I am happy because I can send her medal to that girl. The class sat up with a sudden interest and listened intently. So now all the students, they started listening to teacher, and what was written that we will read now. Dear Miss Mason, how are you? And room 13, please tell the girls they can keep those 100 dresses because in my new house I have 100 new ones all lined up in my closet. I would like that girl Peggy to have the drawing of the green dress with the red trimming and her friend Maddie to have the blue one. For Christmas I miss that school and my new teacher does not equalize with you. Merry Christmas to you and everybody. Yours truly, Wanda Petronsky. Now she writes that first she is asking how are you, and room 13 means her class, and now she is saying to teacher that give all my dresses to the girls of that class, and especially what she is mentioning, because now she said that I have 100 more dresses in my closet. I would like that girl Peggy, and she is saying that girl Peggy. So she is asking teacher to give green dress to Peggy and her friend Maddie to have the blue. So she says that give that blue dress to Maddie and that green dress to Peggy. For Christmas I miss, and now she said that I miss the school, and new teacher not equalize means she is not like you, means that Wanda Petronsky, that girl, she liked Miss Mason a lot. Maybe she could not show her love. She could not speak when she was there. But now she is saying that my new teacher does not equalize you. It means she loves Miss Mason more. Merry Christmas. Now she is wishing Merry Christmas to all the children and teacher. She is saying Merry Christmas to you and everybody. And after that, she stops. That's all for today, students. Now it's time for homework. So please read this chapter carefully and prepare your doubts for doubt class. With this, I wish you good health, stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you.